Welcome everyone to this session on the basics of programming with Laravel. Laravel is a powerful open source PHP framework that enables developers to build sophisticated, scalable web applications quickly and efficiently. With its clean, expressive syntax, extensive documentation, and thriving community, Laravel simplifies complex development tasks and accelerates the overall processes. I am your presenter today, Billy S. Xavier, and I'm excited to share my knowledge and experience with this fantastic framework. Laravel is a popular open-source web application framework for PHP, designed to make web development faster and more efficient. By the end of this session, you'll be able to understand the key features and capabilities of Laravel and get started with building web applications using this very powerful framework. Laravel is a powerful, as I have said, and a popular PHP framework that provides a great foundation for building web applications. It has an elegant and expressive syntax that makes development efficient and enjoyable. Laravel is a progressive framework that grows with you with your needs as your application scales. It's highly scalable with built-in support for fast distributed cache systems like Redis to enable horizontal scaling. It also has a large and vibrant community that contributes high-quality packages, making it comprehensive and developer-friendly framework. It is said to be that Laravel is a popular PHP web framework that follows a model view controller architectural pattern. This helps organize code and separate concerns, making it easier to develop and maintain complex web applications. Laravel also includes a artisan command line interface that simplifies common development tasks. Artisans can be used to quickly create models, controllers, and database migrations, saving developers time. Another key feature of Laravel is its eloquent ORM, which provides a clean, expressive way to interact with the database. Eloquent allows developers to work with the database using an object-oriented approach rather than writing raw SQL queries. Composer is the industry standard tool for managing PHP project dependencies. We'll use it to install Laravel framework quickly and easily. Setting up to a local development environment is crucial for testing our application. In fact, when I first tried using this, it actually took me time to do installation. So tools like Homestead, Valet, and Docker make this process more seamless. Well, we'll be able to customize Laravel's settings to connect our database, manage environment variables, and configure application-specific functionality. Before creating your first Laravel application, make sure that your local machine has PHP, Composer, and the Laravel installer installed. In addition, we should have installed Node and npm so that you can compile your application's front-end assets. After running one of the commands listed here, you should restart your terminal session. Then to update PHP, Composer, and the Laravel installer after installing them via php.new, you can reinstall Laravel installer via Composer already. And then, you can run the command in your terminal already. So, the Laravel's MVC architecture is a powerful and well-structured way to build web application. The model represents the data and business logic of the application, interacting with the database through the Eloquent ORM. The view handles the user interface and presentation level, utilizing the Blade templating engine for dynamic content. In addition, the controller now acts as the intermediary between the model and view, processing user inputs and orchestrating the application's flow. This clear separation of concerns allows for better organization, maintainability, and scalability of the code base. The MVC pattern promotes a modular and testable approach to web development, making it a popular choice for Laravel projects. The routing system in Laravel is a powerful tool that maps URL paths to specific controller methods, enabling seamless navigation and handling of user requests. Our controllers, on the other hand, are at the heart of the application, encapsulating the logic for handling HTTP requests, processing the data, and rendering application responses. Meanwhile, our middleware provides a way to filter and modify requests, ensuring security, authentication, and other cross-cutting concerns addressed consistently across the entire application. Together, routing, controllers, and middleware form the foundation for building robust, scalable web applications in Laravel. On Blade templating engine, Blade actually is a powerful templating engine for Laravel, a popular PHP framework. It allows you to create clean, intuitive HTML templates with dynamic content. The syntax is so simple and easy to learn, making it accessible for developers. Blade's layout system lets you reuse common user interface elements across multiple pages. This promotes for consistency and reduces development time. We can also easily pass data from the controller to the view and display it in the templates. This tight integration between the back end and the front end simplifies the development process. Eloquent is a Laravel powerful object relational mapping layer. So this allows us to interact with our database using an expressive, fluent syntax. Eloquent models represent database tables and provides a simple interface for our CRUD operations. So the Eloquent Query Builder lets us create complex database queries using a fluent, readable syntax. So hindi na tayo mahirapan. Eloquent also makes it easy to define and manage relationships between database tables like our one-to-many or many-to-many relationships. This allows us to work with our data in an object-oriented way without having to write raw SQL queries. The Laravel Artisan CLI, or the Command Line Interface, or CLI po, is a powerful command line interface that allows us developers to perform a variety of tasks related to the Laravel framework. So some key artisan commands that we normally use later on when we try to do already our application includes migrate, managing data schema migrations, the make model, allowing us to generate an Eloquent model class, the make controller for new controller class, and the middleware that allows us to generate a new Eloquent model, a new controller middleware class, I should say, which allows you to filter or modify our HTTP request entering our applications. So more of that you'll be discovering as you go along with Laravel. So this may be a very quick way to start creating an application. So after you have installed your PHP, your composer, the Laravel installer, you're now ready to create a new Laravel application. So the Laravel installer will prompt you to select your preferred testing framework, the database, and the starter kit. You'd see here uh, the line of codes you will have to, I mean the line of syntaxes you'll have to put in. So once the application has been created, you can start Laravel's local development server, queue worker, and VT development server using the dev composer script. So your application will then be accessible at our HTTP localhost. So the presentation has provided a high-level overview of the key features and capabilities of the Laravel framework. I've only covered here in my presentation the MVC architecture, the eloquent ORM for database interactions, and the artisan command line interface. To continue your learning journey, I highly recommend, like me, where I also started exploring the comprehensive Laravel documentation available on the official website. That's laravel.com. The Laravel community is also very active and engaged, so I encourage you to connect with other developers and participate in the robust discussion to deepen your understanding, just like what I did. So the resources and community support available will be invaluable as you continue to build your skills and expertise in the Laravel framework. Join us in the Laravel community and be part of the growing number of web artisans. Thank you very much.